you guys, I made it up here. We're gonna go up there a little bit. You can see there's some benches over here, and possibly run an app. The new one, Transcend Theory by Chill Seekers, aka Keith Weldon, and maybe the S box and see what we get. Super cool. And I think that he's gonna run, he's actually gonna play his drone. He put his drone out. There's people behind us, Rach, but it's okay. So this is what it looks like. How cool is that? Okay, so we are at the Almaden Quick County Park, and I think we're gonna find some cool stuff like a hanging tree. There's actually a lot of people here. Look. Weird.
Are you ready?
Yeah. All right, let's go. So there's a lot of people here that really couldn't talk. What's that? Ants? Look at those. Those are buffed. Look
Dude,
how
that
big.
big ass ant just flew onto my mouth.
Are you serious?
I swear.
You guys, look at these ants. They're huge. It flew on you?
It flew.
Close your mouth, Sari.
Oh. I couldn't really say much earlier because there was a heck of people came in at one time. Look at that, Sari. What is it? Whoa, are they fighting or mating? He's getting a free ride. Look at him. They're mating. All right. So we're trying to make it to a couple places here. This will be video number 1. We're here in San Jose, and we're probably going to get a couple videos out of this trip. Off of Hicks Road, we will be there filming, but then we probably will have different videos. Keith Weldon will have his own video on his channel, Chill Seekers X, and we will have our video. And so yeah, it'll be cool. So let's see what we get. I'm already tired.
Hopefully it's not. Oh my. Can you hold this for a sec?
Wow, look at how beautiful this is. You guys, this will not be like this for too long because everything will be dried out from the stupid summer. That's lovely. That's where the hike is. We just hiked up there. Oh, Welski, it's on 72%. You can see the old mining up there. You guys, this walk is not so bad, and it's not super hot, which is cool, but you could see it right there, and supposedly the hanging trees over there. So we're gonna walk a little bit more.
It doesn't look that far.
Let's go. Here we go. You know, we might even take a break.
I don't wear my hiking boots.
Hey, my camera got to 100%. That's a good plus.
Oh, that is cool.
Okay, so there are mountain lions here. There's snakes. This is California, so mountain lions to deers. You know, who knows what the hell is out here, because this is actually in the mountains of like Los Gatos and San Jose. So it's very haunted. At night it would be super crazy, but they do close this at like 6 or sunset. Oh, look.
There's like turkey vultures or something.
You want dinner? Oh yeah, I see them. Richie, you see them?
Where? Oh yeah.
So we should be getting close to it. It's gonna be a tree that with a big ass branch that goes out sideways, like horizontal.
All right, here we go.
You said that this was the tree. Yeah, so that's the tree. You see, this is
I thought you were looking at the one right there.
Okay, we made it. So close, because there it is. You can see it. And we just saw this cold rock. So we just walked up this hill. And now we're just taking a small break. So here we go. It'll be worth it. Here we go. Okay. We saw this behind there. And we don't know if that's a dog or a mountain lion. You guys comment below what you think it is. And we saw something in there. What is in there? I don't know. Can you go up and over the top? Yeah. Can you guys see in there? I see spider webs. I see this bug right here. Look at this bug, Reed. And this bug. Ew. Whoa. All right. We're getting closer. Dang, what's up there? All right, here we go. Nobody's behind us. This is probably the hardest part.
This right here?
This is probably the hardest part of our whole adventure tonight. And there it is. There is what we're walking to. The furnace. We're on our way. You guys, that is the hanging tree. Now, supposedly, somebody named Cherry Pie, we don't know the story, I'll have to get it and put it into this video. But he was hung here. And many people were hung here, but we only know about his story because it scared me. Is that corn? Yeah. That he was hung here and that they threw rocks at him. And supposedly people say that rocks are being thrown. Oh, look at that. Okay, so me and Rachel will go there while you do your stuff here.
Okay, no switch off.
Yeah, so we're gonna let Keith Walden do his stuff over here.
I found something for you, Sarah.
You did?
Yeah, look, it's right there.
What is it? Ooh. It's black. It's black poop. What kind of poop is that? Rabbit? Rabbit is towards. Okay, so right.
Okay, so we're going up there?
Yeah, so we're gonna go over here where he does his video, and that way we can go over here and get some stuff. Maybe run the S-Box, paranormal telephone, maybe the new app.
Alright guys, so Matt is hangman.
Okay, you guys, we made it. It's at the top of the mine hill. Look at this. How crazy is that? It's the Rotary furnace. That's really cool. That is really cool. Wish the gate was open. Rachel, look at hantavirus. Have you guys heard of hantavirus? It's a rare but potentially lethal disease organism. Has been detected in rodents found in this park.
What the hell?
What the? It's from the albinos.
I'm gonna take off my gear.
Yeah, let's go sit down.
Get comfy.
It smells chemically, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could
Kind of-
smell it.
Like some kind of fuel? Gasoline, maybe?
I don't know.
So I'm filming, just so you know.
Okay.
Okay. Take this off. Take this off. Overheated. Okay. I think I could squeeze through that gate.
You cannot, you dare.
Make sure there's no poopy cacas on there. Take a breather.
Take my sunglasses off.
Pull up my underwear. You hear something over there?
Huh?
I hear something over there. Bird?
Let's see if this moves.
Okay. Somebody must be coming.
Why is somebody running? Why was somebody running? You saw running. Was that a person?
Did you hear that?
I saw him running up. Why would he run up? I hope that wasn't an outline. Did you see it? He like ran through those bushes. What's going on? And it was white or beige or something. So I'm starting this video off on a small story about Hicks Road and what I encountered. Yes, I'm a paranormal investigator. Yes, I talk to spirits. Yes, my boyfriend makes apps, necrophonic, necrometer, and a lot others. But I just want to say that a couple years ago, I went to Hicks Road. You heard of that Hacienda Cemetery that is over there? There's a cemetery over there, and me and Rachel went over there. So you're going to see it in my video. Now, I saw something, and my camera detected a face. Of course, I don't have a camera, but I'm telling you what I saw. My camera detected a face, and I saw this little white figure thing kind of peeking over that billboard, and you'll see it in there. But let me tell you something. It freaked me out because I looked back on my footage and it wasn't there. So, you know, a couple years goes by, and now me and Keith are going over here. And I saw something again, but my camera wasn't faced that way. I saw something running from out of the bushes over there at that furnace place. And you're going to see the video because I think one of my first videos is the hanging tree. And then the second one will be the Hicks Road because we went back at night. So, yes, I saw something. I think there's some truth to this albino spirits, whatever they are. I think they hang out in the caves or in the mines underneath that whole area. This is what I think is going on there because I have seen these things, and I've actually saw something on the internet that somebody said, oh, I seen these white figures, blah, blah, blah. And somebody's like, what drugs are you on? He's not on drugs. He's right, because I've seen him twice.
Is there batteries in this? I don't think there's any batteries in this. Someone sucked all your juice already. Do you have extra batteries? Because I think you need extra batteries. I just saw something, Rachel. You need your money back. Rachel, I just saw something. And the video picked it up. And a square went on it. Something picked its head out. I think. Okay, that's good. I'm getting light spikes. You are? Mm-hmm. We'll be fine. Who's here? Did you work here? Okay, we're gonna run the new app. This is my first video doing the app, okay? All right. Hi, Spirit. Are you here with us? I mean, is that the wind or what? Is it the wind, or does somebody feel like they're still working? Spirit, are you here with us right now? Whoa! They all lit up! There is something here. Rachel, it's going bonkers. It's going bonkers. So, Spirit, do you see the compass? If you see the compass, see if you can touch the compass for us, Spirit. That is so crazy how all three of them just went like a burst of energy. Huh. That was crazy. But now, here is the compass. You know what's more crazy? What? Look at this. It says record, but look what it's stuck on. Let's get this on video. I can't see it. So it says record, but it's stuck on the picture of the way the camera was going. Oh, wow. Which just reminds me of something. Oh, that's going. So, battery out. Okay, so I'm filming right now. I'm going to take the battery out and then stick it back in. And you can't see it, weird. But Welsky has his drone going. So you know he's getting cool ass shots of this place. All right, Spirit. Who was here? Did you work here? Use these devices to communicate. I'm going to run an app. And see if anything comes through. My camera's not working. Wait a minute. Error. Press shutter, release button. Press it down.
With side S.
With side S.
Are you trying to help me out?
S for shutter? Huh. Whoa. You guys, this is going absolutely bonkers.
Spirit is actually right here making this whole freaking thing light up. All 3 K2 meters. Spirit, can you make... Note. Can you make the compass move? All you have to do is use your energy to make it move. If you're here and you've seen a compass before, try to move it. I have to resort to this.
Here.
It says here. You guys, I am using the Whoa, look at this. What the fuck? This is not even working either. Nothing's working today? What's wrong? I had everything charged. That is going bonkers. What the fuck?
Them long.
When I first put those down, when I first put those down, they weren't moving, and then you get spikes on them. I want to talk to the manager. Here we go. There's your phone. Look, it's still going. I thought maybe that you're at a charge. Oh. So, Spirit. Now, let me tell you who I am. I'm Sari, and this is my sister Rachel. If you are here with me, we just come as friends. This stuff won't hurt you. And I know you're going, what is this? These just detect you, and we just know you're here. We saw that all 3 of these K2 meters. Vader. Darth. Are you here, Darth? Who's here with us? Something's here. Spirit. You see that device at the end of the other table? Can you touch that one?
Down dial.
Down dial. Bug? Spirit, are you still working? Make a knocking noise.
Ben.
You guys, it says Ben. Ben? His name is Ben. Ben, did you work here? Ben. Is that you, Ben? If that is you, touch the compass. Just go near it. That is absolutely crazy. I've never seen that before. All 3. Okay. Let's take it up a notch. We test the ghost meter out.
Hacked.
Hecked. It's not even that windy. Yeah, it's not even windy. Who's in there? Shut a door. Meet me in the office. Did you work here? If you talk into my camera when I play this back.
Oh.
You guys, it says all. So again, I'm using Transcend Theory. It's the new app by Chill Seekers. And what I did on my settings was I hit play, transcribe, and filter. Then that way just words come through.
and all the gibber, because it's not a word bank. It doesn't pick up words. It's an alphabet in there, and it just
No.
it just will pick up a word that it recognizes. Ben? Welski.
Yeah.
All 3 of our K2 meters are going bonkers.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I have Transcend on, by the way.
It sounds like something's.
You're going to get a noise in there. And I don't think it's the wind because I don't see the wind, but I don't know for sure.
I gotta go
Hi.
take a shower and listen.
I know you do. Hey, it says hide. And then it said Ben. Ben's here.
I got Helen.
You did?
It said Helen.
Oh.
Did Helen follow me?
Yes. Of course she is. She's always with us. She's a protector. She's been with me like seven years now. Saint. Watch these meters, Welski. Ben, go ahead and make the meters go off. I'm trying to get him to see if he can do the compass. There, look at Welski.
I'm getting around here too.
You be busy.
He be busy.
He be busy.
That is so funny. It said, he is busy. Look at these. That's crazy.
Pseudo-Eisner.
Pseudo-Eisner. I think that's a word. Well, you can't use this, so let's face this way. So, the camera being this, like this. Was it? Which one's that one? This is the one I bought. Oh. Was that you making the beep?
Yeah.
Okay, so Ben can make these go off, but he can't. I'm telling you, we keep hearing a noise, but it's not windy.
Like,
Uh-huh.
Like Ben's still working.
Yeah, Ben's still working. And he's in the
speak to somebody from the office.
Ben.
Sounds like somebody's working back there, huh?
Yeah. See if we can get that to go
A
off.
lot.
A lot. Rachel, is there a hole right there to get in? Did you see that there's a Heravirus?
That.
Look on the fence right there, that note. I think it's from albinos. They put fences, they put a hole in here and somebody had to cover it up. You could see it right there. It's nice out here. It's not too hot. Rachel's having trouble with her camera, but it's okay now. Okay, so we're here at the hanging tree. I might use Necrometer and maybe just continue running the Transcend Theory app. So here is the tree.
Your eye.
Your eye? Your eye? Is any of these rocks here from when Cherry Pie got hung? What happened here? What happened here? Here, I'm going to use the S-box. The what? What happened at this tree? Tell us what happened. Rach, tell me if anybody's coming.
Line.
Line. Line.
L-I-N-E? Line?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to run the S-box and have the Transcend Theory app going at the same time. News.
S-box. Scanning FM.
All right. What happened at this tree? What was his name? What do they call this tree? What happened here?
Chicken burrito.
Free Odyssey.
And ash. Where are we?
In Oakland. Patrick Bacon.
In Oakland? You said in Oakland. We're not in Oakland. We're in San Jose. I think it's just in San Jose. Oakland, Sacramento. Oakland Spice. Okay. Was there rocks thrown here? Alright. Who died here? April 20th. It's to lead. And a video? I'm making a video right now. Spirits. Alright, I'm going to turn this off. I think some things did come through. You're talking about Oakland a lot. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye. So your first name? We just did a video at the hanging tree. Let's see if we get any spikes here.
Whale are.
Ben here? Let's see if we get any spikes off of here. Is there any spirits here?
DX.
Anything else you want to say?
Anything else you want to say or do?
Y'all chat.
You all chat? You all chat?
Yeah, we chatted.
We did. We chatted. All right. Well, this was a really cool place. We wish that we can get in there, but we cannot.
I thought we could get in.
But it really is cool to see that. I really do think that there's a lot of spirits here. Still working, making noise, hanging out. I mean, Ben came through. He made our K2 meters go bonkers.
Hemna.
So I think it was really cool. I like the tree. I mean, this view alone. This view alone, oh, Weldon, is like, yeah, it looks like it's a painting from Bob Ross.